Good morning and welcome to installment number 2 of the vlog series. Alright guys, so today it's going to be about a 15-16 minute video and we're heading out to the Bekaa. It'll be my good friend and I, Joseph, and we'll be doing some touch and goes up there. And I hope you guys like what we did and subscribe. Remember, like, share, interact, tell me your comments. I mean, I'm doing this for you and obviously for me because I think it's pretty cool and entertaining. But seriously, okay guys, it's Fly with Taz and we're gonna be jumping in again as we start the engines. Enjoy. We're getting equipped, boy. Zeg?
Tamam.
Halla betroffen man. Crazy. I only started cutting today.
Tamam.
Thank you.
بالعادي أخي هيك المشي الواحد شو بده
You alright?
Okay.
Yeah! This is what we're facing. Alright, holy shit. Now, if you're wondering why we're turning right, which is west, instead of left for east for the Bekaa, we were given a heading of 270 to give the runway 0321 a wide berth, and then so we could reverse course and get back up to our assigned altitude and destination. And this is the Dahr Baydar mountain pass, and to your right you'll shortly see Shtura and then Zahli. I mean, it looks so alien from up here, yet so beautiful. Contrast is insane between how well planted it is on the right side and just before it, the trees and all that comes with it. But hey, that's Lebanon. And just shortly, Zahli, ladies and gentlemen. Still beautiful. So for the first approach, we'll be making a clean approach so that my buddy here gets the hang of doing it the hard way, you know, in case he has an issue with the flaps or any of that. Now we'll be making 3 approaches. The next one will be with full flaps. Now you'll notice we'll be coming in a little high on this one, and that's normal because of the full flaps actually. And really, he nails it, and it was beautiful to watch, at least from what I could tell. Now after finishing, we're supposed to climb back out to 6,500 feet. I believe that was our cleared altitude. And back over Dahr al-Baydar. And once again, I mean, this time you'll be looking down to the south side, and it'll be the West Bekaa, and that is some of the most beautiful scenery I've ever seen. And there it is, the reverse side. So this is the north side, and what you were seeing previously was the south side. Still alien. Beirut, ladies and gentlemen. And finally, for the approach to Beirut, we were given clearance to approach 1.6 and then break visual for 1.7. So, guys, enjoy the landing. Like, subscribe to the channel, Fly with Taz. And stay tuned for more on these video series.